The anti-Müllerian hormone is generated by the preantral and antral follicles found in the ovaries during the entire reproductive lifespan of a woman. In short, from puberty until the arrival of menopause. Specifically, it is the granulosa cells surrounding the egg that are responsible for synthesizing it. The significance of this hormone is that it serves as a biological marker to estimate a woman's ovarian reserve. In other words, the measurement of anti-Müllerian hormone levels in the blood gives us a clearer idea, allowing us to estimate the number of eggs that still remain in a woman's ovaries, which is her ovarian reserve. It is crucial to note that additional tests are performed in the assessment of female fertility. A hormonal assessment that measures levels of other hormones such as FSH and LH, along with an antral follicle count through transvaginal ultrasound.